Hello all, today in this video I'm going to show a demo for plotting a graph by using line space and also interpolation. That is linear space and also interpolation by using Matlab basic functions only, that is default functions only. Initially, as we all do for everything, we are just closing all the things such as workspace and command window, etc. And if any warning here, I think warning may come. So in that case, to neglect this warning, we have just put this warning of comment also. Next, we are using merely nodes from 0 to 490. In this case, if you need some other things, means you can just make by your own. And also the difference here you can see it's 25 to 50. It's not uniform, it is non-uniform only. You can see no uniform lines, that is not 25 and all, only a non-uniform random number is made between 0 to 490, and for each thing we have just dropped a values. For 0 it's 32.5, like that. Normally by using this tool we will just get a line graph or a bar graph, like that only. But in this thing we need a graph like sine graph or a cos graph. For that we have to use the linear space and also interpolation function. This what will we do is it will just create a linear space and also create a interpolation between the data points. Linear space is used in the nodes number for the nodes number from 1 to n to create a linear space between the nodes number, and the interpolation function is used between the other variable, which is w1000, and which it is also be done with the nodes number, and it will just interpolate the uh, data points which we have added. Now we have want to display the figure. For that we have given a figure, and then we are just giving hold on and hold off button. For that here we are going to plot this excerpts, and initially if you that is usually what we will do is we will use nodes number and w1000 to just plot a graph. But in this case, which since we need line space and interpolation to be imported in this graph, we are just using that line space and interpolation and calling them in the variables like x and y, and that variables only we are just using in the plot. And for color we are using red, and then plot that is a line space r. So then the width is 1. Then we have given the x label on the y label also. If you want to give titles means also you can just specify the title. So this is the code. uh, so we can just run this code. So this is the line which we got in the by using this code. Thank you. In the next video we can see with some other basic MATLAB, Python and also Vega tutorial. Thank you.